supposed to be like a winter storm warning that we in or something like that. I don't know if y'all can really see it on the camera, but it's like snowing. This weekend is Christmas, so make sure you guys stay tuned for a nice, cool Christmas vlog. I don't know exactly what's gonna be going on, but we're gonna be doing it. So make sure y'all tune in for that. It's a blessing for real, you know. Somebody ain't wake up today, you know. Somebody ain't get a chance. Somebody not able to spend Christmas with their loved one this year, so, you know. Trying to take all that into consideration, fam, so. Man, it's not a joke out here. And we trying to get the paper man rain, sleet, or snow, man. That's part of the game. I appreciate it. Now you have a good holiday. What's the word, birds? It's your boy Blue Dog with the vlogs, man. We back at it with another banger, man. As y'all can see, man, we up, we working, we getting it on, man. We on the highway, man, getting to it. We on our way to drop off. We are an hour and a half away, so we really not that far. But it's supposed to be like a winter storm warning that we in or something like that. I don't know if y'all can really see it on the camera, but it's like snowing. I forgot my camera in the car last night, so it's froze and the battery keep dying on it, man. So hopefully we don't have to go through that all day long, man. Hopefully we can just shoot a regular good vlog, man. My camera warm up, I'm trying to heat it up with the heater, you know what I'm saying? We back. The camera just keep dying. I'm hoping that it stay on now. I let it warm up a little bit in here. So yeah, we on our way still to the warehouse. We about an hour away now. I had stopped and got me some McDonald's. It was pretty good. But yeah, I'm feeling good, man. I'm having me a blessed morning, man. I hope you guys are too. If you're new to the channel, please make sure you like the video, comment down below, subscribe so you know what goes on with the guy from the FBE family. Though you already know. You feel me? But yeah, man, we having us a van day. We up, we working. This weekend is Christmas, so make sure you guys stay tuned for a nice, cool Christmas vlog. I don't know exactly what's gonna be going on, but we're gonna be doing it. So make sure y'all tune in for that. Yeah, man, I'm just having me a good day so far. It's like I said before, it's supposed to be like a winter storm warning or something like that. So I'm hoping that I can get out here, drop this load, and get back home pretty quickly. I'm trying to wrap my day up. Yeah, man, so that's what's going on, man. I'm happy, man. I hope y'all having a good day, man. I hope y'all have a Merry Christmas. I hope y'all enjoy yourselves, man, with y'all family. Enjoy the true gift, you know what I'm saying? The real gift, and that's life, and being able to have people to enjoy it with. You know what I'm saying? That's the genuine gift right there. So, you know, we also thankful to have the Most High above us, looking down and watching over us and protecting us. So those are my two Christmas gifts, man. Those, spending with my loved ones, and the Most High, man. It's a blessing for real, you know. You know, somebody ain't wake up today, you know. Somebody ain't get a chance. Somebody not able to spend Christmas with their loved one this year, so, you know. Trying to take all that into consideration, fam. So, still rolling, man. I'm just finna finish playing some music or something, and get my butt on down here. So I'll holler at y'all in a couple minutes when we get in. When we closer, probably like, I don't know, we'll see. So make sure y'all stay tuned, man. Comment down below, man. Let me know what y'all got going on today, man. What y'all doing for Christmas, man? Man, it's not a joke out here. It's not a joke out here, man. Shit. Man, it's not a joke out here, y'all. Gotta be careful out here on this road, man. Man, y'all I'll pray for the fluke out here, man. You know, and it ain't even just. It's not even started. It's only 10 o'clock. They say it's really supposed to get crazy out here around like 3. I'm hoping that I should be back home by then, but I don't think I'm gonna get caught in it, but hopefully, you know, if I do, I'm gonna just drive real slow. But man, y'all think that's crazy, man. I hope that dude okay back there, man. It's ridiculous. Oh guys, so we are finally getting off the highway. We are 4 minutes away. It's really bad out here. I just got hit up for another load to go pick up, so I really kind of don't want to get it, but I already accepted it. We just picking it up today, and then we'll be dropping it off tomorrow. So just is what it is, man. We trying to get the paper, man. Rain, sleet, or snow, man. It's part of the game. So yeah, buddy, I'm about to get up over here and hope for the best. So I'll holler at you guys in a couple minutes when I get over here and we about to get unloaded. Peace. Yeah, so we back, family. We done made it here. We checked in everything. We just waiting to get unloaded. They should be on their way down to get us now. Back then, everything ready to go. Here at the door. We got the other one. I really kind of don't want to go get it, but I already said yeah. It's freezing too. Yeah, it's freezing, man. I'm ready to get up out of here. We got one more pickup today, and the roads are just getting worse and worse, man. I'm just trying to hurry up and get this stuff so I can get up out of here. I'm hoping that this dude hurry up, man. They was in there having a potluck. He like, oh yeah, I'll run down there. All right, stop eating and bring your ass home, brother. So yeah, I guess I ain't gonna hold y'all, man. I'm gonna just tap in with y'all in a couple seconds when they come on so we can get unloaded. That's all 4 of them right there, okay? It's 3 little ones on top of this big one.
So this is all 4?
Yeah. I appreciate it. Now you have a good holiday. Shit, gotta pull this bitch up. Okay, so I'm off, man. That's it for me. I'm off, dog. I'm gonna holler at y'all in a couple minutes. Yeah.